to make inroads for workers who have been told to take those plans back to the drawing board, the men and women who do the tedious work for architects. More and more machines are doing their work, and the end result for you, the consumer, could mean lower costs. With more on that, here's Glenn Hansen with tonight's Business for Kansas City report.
So they call these machines CAD CAM. That's for computer-assisted design and computer-assisted manufacturing.
I'm glad you're explaining this and not me.
For architects, these computers have taken over the monotonous work of designing and perfecting commercial and residential buildings. One of the area's most sophisticated CAD machines is used by Champlin architects. Barely 3 years ago, this company did all architectural renderings by hand. Now the computerized system accounts for more than 70% of the drawings. The advantages it offers a builder or contractor are many.
We draw on one plan, and then the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing are all on that same plan, and then they're plotted out differently. So it saves a lot of mistakes and errors in construction. It's an apartment project. We're able to draw one apartment, and then we can duplicate it as many times as there are units of that type. It's expandable. You can move walls in seconds rather than erasing and redrawing it, and we're working on the same plan all the time so that changes can be made in seconds instead of hours that used to take our draftsmen.
Time saved means lower costs for a developer or builder because a project can be offered for bids in a matter of days instead of months. But for the technician who plans to make a living at a drawing board, computer design means a case of here today, gone tomorrow. And for budding architects, a new challenge.
Architecture students should start taking this CAD CAM training.
Computer-assisted design works well in laying out an entire office or other commercial building. All furnishings and carpet, right down to the smallest ashtrays, can be placed within a computer drawing, helping an architect properly design a whole building. And if high-tech design helps lower the cost of doing business as it's supposed to do, ultimately you, the consumer, should have some benefit in the way of lower prices, or at least prices that otherwise would be higher than they are. Cynthia?
Peter Pearson.